Hello! Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Mag-hi kayo, madam. Okay.
Hi!
Meron tayong balikbayan dito. Oh, fresh na fresh. Ayun, oh. Ayan. Ang aming fresh na balikbayan from Cyprus. Balikbahay. Yes, and we are going to Tayog today. So today is December 3rd. At bibisitahin din namin yung isa pang balikbayan na kamag-anak namin. So we're gonna go and see Libay and Hila kasi so sad na si Manong Puling, he passed away several days ago. So we were originally planning to go to Tayog to visit Manong Puling and Manang Tita. But since we have been so busy, hindi kami nakapunta doon, and now it's so sad that we're gonna go visit dahil namatay na si Manong Puling. Ayan. So si Libay and Hila, napauwi sila nang wala sa oras. So we're gonna go and see another balikbayan, and next week, is it next week na or well, less than 2 weeks, Biyang and her whole family are also coming. So it's going to be a whole village. So kompleto po yung barangay namin. Kasi matagal po kaming hindi nagkita-kita, and now kompleto po kami. So anong gusto ninyong panawagan dyan? Yung mga kamag-anak namin yan na hindi pa nagpapakita, aka
Shout out dyan sa mga pamilya ko.
Ay, may ano dito, may announcement. Ito po yung aming napakasipag na driver. Shout out dyan. Okay. Ang ano, nakaturong man dati may isa.